Welcome to Lesson 1 from Basic ESL Workbook 1. Lesson 1 vocabulary is about family members. In this lesson, we look at example sentences for 3 topics: singular and plural nouns, statements with the verb to be, and asking for names. Let's get started. Nouns are used to name people, places, and things. Let's use people to show some singular and plural nouns. First, let's go over male family members. Repeat after me. Son, son, sons, sons, brother, brother, brothers, brothers, father, father, fathers, fathers, nephew, nephew, nephews, nephews, grandfather, grandfather, grandfathers, grandfathers, grandson, grandson, grandsons, grandsons. Good job. Singular means one. Plural means 2 or more. Most plural nouns are formed by adding an S to the singular noun. Next, let's look at female family members. Repeat after me. Daughter, daughter, daughters, daughters, sister, sister, sisters, sisters, mother, mother, mothers, mothers, niece, niece, nieces, nieces, grandmother, grandmother, grandmothers, grandmothers, granddaughter, granddaughter, granddaughters, granddaughters. Great job. Hey guys, real quick, here are 3 great ways that you can improve your English. 1. Ask your library about ESL classes. 2. Practice with your friends or practice with us by watching our videos. And 3. To learn even more, use our basic ESL workbooks. Buy our workbooks on Amazon or basicesl.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now, back to the lesson. Now let's move on to our second topic, statements with the verb to be. Here are some examples of statements with the verb to be. The verb to be is in purple. Repeat after me. Tony is a father. Tony is a father. Mary is a mother. Mary is a mother. John is an uncle. John is an uncle. Jane is an aunt. Jane is an aunt. My name is Kevin. My name is Kevin. Carlos and I are cousins. Carlos and I are cousins. You and Leah are sisters. You and Leah are sisters. Mark and Sarah are friends. Mark and Sarah are friends. Okay, great. Let's change these sentences around just a bit. Let's use subject pronouns for the subject. Repeat after me. I am a father. I am a father. You are a mother. You are a mother. He is an uncle. He is an uncle. She is an aunt. She is an aunt. It is Kevin. It is Kevin. We are cousins. We are cousins. You are sisters. You are sisters. They are friends. They are friends. Very good. Now let's take a look at articles. Here are statements with the verb to be and the articles a and an. Repeat after me. I am an uncle. You are an aunt. Tom is a friend. Sarah is a wife. James is a name. Billy and I are brothers. You and Joe are grandparents. Amy and Anna are cousins. Great job. A and an are used to introduce singular nouns that are not specific. We use the article an if the singular noun starts with a vowel or a silent H. We do not use a or an with plural nouns. Let's write these statements using subject pronouns and the article the. Repeat after me. I am an uncle. I am the uncle of James. You are an aunt. You are the aunt of James. Tom is a friend. He is the friend of James. Sarah is a wife. She is the wife of James. James is a name. It is the name of my nephew. Billy and I are brothers. We are the brothers of Jane. You and Joe are grandparents. You are the grandparents of Jane. Amy and Anna are cousins. They are the cousins of Jane. Great job. The article the is used to introduce specific people, places, or things. These examples are about specific people. Remember to use a and an with non-specific nouns and the with specific nouns. Let's move on to our last topic. Our last topic is asking for names. Repeat the following questions and answers after me. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Jim. My name is Jim. What is your last name? What is your last name? My last name is Smith. My last name is Smith. What is your full name? What is your full name? My full name is Jim Smith. My full name is Jim Smith. Great job, everyone. Well, that is the end of Lesson 1. We hope you enjoyed practicing your pronunciation. We learned how to make most plural nouns by adding an S. We went over statements with the verb to be, including nouns, subject pronouns, and articles. And we also went over how to ask for a name. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to watch this video again and practice your pronunciation every day. In our next lesson, we look at adjectives as well as negative statements with the verb to be. We will see you then.